Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but not internet problem on Windows. First of all, you have to go here and below in the left corner, start, right click and then, well, excuse me, left click and settings. Click on settings and click on network and Windows, and then click on network reset, and it will your network will be reset, and this is gonna fix the problem. And that's it guys, this is the whole video. I hope you like it. Please leave me your like and subscribe also, and see you next one.